Hi, we're looking at parts of a whole. And because we're talking about fractions, these parts always need to be equal parts, or we're not talking about a fraction. Fractions are all made up of equal parts. First, let's look at an easy fraction, 1/2. It's written as 1/2. The top number is called the numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator. The numerator, the top number, is also known as the counting number. That helps us to know what it means or what it does. And the bottom number, the denominator, tells us the number of equal parts in a whole. Now let's try to draw this 1/2 here, down here on this rectangle. We need the denominator for this. We need to use the denominator first. So what I'm going to do is measure how long this rectangle is. It's 6 centimeters. So I'm going to divide that by the number of parts that we need. 2, number of equal parts in a whole. This is our whole. We need 2 equal parts. So it's 6 centimeters long. I'm going to divide that by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3 centimeters. So each of our 2 equal parts will be 3 centimeters long. Make a mark there for 3, and the next 3 centimeters will take us right to the end. Then divide our rectangle like that. So now we have our 2 equal parts. We've done the denominator. Now what about the numerator? It's the counting number. That's the number of these equal parts that we count, or in this case that we shade in. So let's just go ahead and lightly shade in one of them. There we go. Now this drawing represents 1/2, or 1 out of 2. Now let's do that again for another example, 3/4, also known as 3/4. So that's written as 3/4. The numerator is our top number, also known as the counting number. The denominator is the bottom number, and remember that tells us the number of equal parts in a whole. Let's draw it down here on our rectangle. So again, start with the denominator. How long is this rectangle? It's 8 centimeters. The denominator tells us how many equal parts we need to have in this 8 centimeters. So we're going to take that 8 centimeters, divide it by our denominator, and that's going to give us 2 centimeters. So let's measure 2 centimeters from one end to the other. So starting at 0, there's 2 centimeters. Keep going. There's another 2 centimeters. Keep going. There's another 2 centimeters. And keep going. We're at the end. Let's draw some lines at each one of those markings. Lines right across the other side of the rectangle. Now we have our denominator, our number of equal parts in a whole. Denominator is 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts in a whole. Denominator's done. Now let's look at our numerator. The numerator is 3. That's the counting number. So we need to color in 3 of these. So this would be 1/4 or 1/4. This would be 2/4 or 2/4. And one more, we've got 3/4 or 3/4.